Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing great, thank you. And you? How's your day going?
My day is going very well. Thank you for asking. I'm so happy to be here with you, Alex, and with all our amazing listeners today.
Me too, Emily. It's always a pleasure to talk about English and share new things with our friends.
Yes, exactly. And before we start our fun chat today, remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Podcast English channel. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And if you are new here, welcome. We talk about many simple things to help you learn English easily.
That's right, Alex. So, Alex, tell us today we have a very nice topic. We are going to talk about our experiences.
Oh, I love this topic, Emily. Talking about experiences is so interesting. We can learn so much from each other.
Yes, it's true. Everyone has different experiences, right? Small experiences, big experiences, funny experiences, happy experiences.
Exactly. And it's a good way to practice English, too. When you talk about your experiences, you use past tense verbs. You describe things. It's perfect for A1 level.
Good point, Alex. So let's start. Alex, can you tell me about a happy experience you had recently? Something that made you smile a lot?
A happy experience. Oh, I know. Last weekend, I went to the park with my dog, Buster.
Oh, Buster. I remember Buster. He's a very cute dog.
Yes, he is. So we went to the park, and it was a sunny day. Many people were there. And Buster, he loves to run.
Oh, I can imagine. My dog also loves to run.
So Buster was running, and then he saw a little squirrel.
Oh no, what happened?
He got so excited, he ran after the squirrel, but the squirrel was very fast and went up a tree. Buster looked up, looked at me, and then he just sat down and made a funny face, like, "Aw, where'd it go?"
That's so funny. Poor Buster.
Yes, but then a little girl came to Buster and started to pet him. She was so sweet. And Buster just put his head on her lap. It was a very sweet moment. It made me very happy.
Ah, that sounds wonderful, Alex. Simple moments can be the happiest, right?
Yes, exactly. Just seeing Buster happy and seeing that sweet girl with him, it was a very good feeling. What about you, Emily? Do you have a recent happy experience to share?
Let me think. A happy experience. Oh, yes. Last week, I tried a new restaurant in my neighborhood.
Oh, nice. What kind of restaurant was it?
It was a small Italian restaurant. I love Italian food. Pizza, pasta.
Me too. My favorite. So what did you eat?
I ordered a pasta dish with tomato sauce and a lot of cheese, and it was amazing. So good.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Yes, and the people working there were very friendly. They smiled a lot, and the music was nice and calm. It was a very relaxing dinner. I felt very happy after that meal.
That's great, Emily. Good food and friendly people make a perfect experience.
Yes, it's true. So that was a happy experience. Now let's talk about something a little different. Alex, can you tell me about a time you learned something new? Maybe a new skill or a new piece of information?
Learning something new. Ah, this is a good one. Recently, I started to learn how to bake bread.
Oh, wow, that's interesting. Is it difficult?
At first, yes, it was a little difficult. My first bread, it was not very good. It was very hard, like a rock.
Oh no, I can imagine.
But I kept trying. I watched some videos, I read some simple recipes, and slowly I started to understand the feeling of the dough, the temperature of the oven.
So, how is your bread now? Is it better?
Yes, much better. My last bread was soft and delicious. My family ate it all very fast.
That's wonderful, Alex. What a great experience of learning. It shows that practice helps a lot.
Yes, it really does. It taught me that even if something is hard at first, you can learn and get better if you keep trying.
What about you, Emily? When did you learn something new? Recently. Let me think. Oh, yes, I learned how to fix a small problem with my computer.
Oh, that sounds very useful. Computers can be tricky.
Yes, they can. My computer was very slow, and some programs were not working well. I usually ask a friend to help me, but this time I decided to try and fix it myself.
Good for you. That takes courage.
Thank you. So I looked online, I watched some simple videos on how to clean the computer, how to close programs that are not in use. It took me some time.
I bet it's like a puzzle sometimes, right?
Yes, exactly. And after some hours, my computer was fast again. It was a great feeling. I felt very proud.
Wow, that's amazing, Emily. You saved money and learned a new skill. That's a very practical experience.
Yes, it was. And it taught me that sometimes you can do things you thought you couldn't do. You just need to try. So we talked about happy experiences and learning experiences. Now, Alex, can you tell me about a funny experience you had? Something that made you laugh a lot.
Oh, a funny experience. Oh, I have a good one. Last summer, I went to the beach with some friends.
Oh, the beach. I love the beach.
Me too. So it was a beautiful day, very sunny. We were playing with a ball near the water.
Sounds like fun.
Yes. And then the ball went into the water. It was not far, so I said, I will get it.
Oh no, I have a feeling. What happened next?
So I walked into the water. It was not deep, but then a big wave came, and it was much bigger than I thought.
And what happened?
The wave just pushed me and I fell down. Not deep, but my face went into the water for a second.
Oh, Emily, were you okay?
Yes. I was totally fine. But my friends, they started to laugh so much, and I started to laugh too. My hair was wet, my clothes were wet, and I had sand on my face.
That's a classic beach story. I can totally picture it. It sounds very funny now.
Yes, it was so unexpected. We all laughed for a long time. It was a very funny moment. What about you, Alex? A funny experience? A funny experience. Oh, I remember one time. I was at the supermarket.
Okay, the supermarket. What happened there?
I was looking for some milk, and I was wearing headphones, listening to music. I was singing quietly to myself.
Oh, I know where this is going.
So I was singing, and I was looking at the milk, and then a woman next to me tapped my shoulder, and then I took off my headphones, and she said, "Excuse me, do you know where the eggs are?"
And you were singing, right?
Yes, I completely forgot I was singing, and I think I was singing a little louder than quietly, so I just felt a little red in my face and said, "Oh, sorry, I don't know where the eggs are."
That's hilarious, Alex. I'm sure she didn't mind. She probably thought it was funny too.
Maybe. I quickly found the milk and left. It was a very funny little embarrassing moment.
That's a great one. We all have those small, funny moments. So, Alex, let's talk about a helpful experience. A time when you helped someone or someone helped you.
Oh, that's a nice one, Emily. Let me think. A helpful experience. Yes. Last month, I was walking in the city and I saw an older woman trying to cross the street.
Oh, that's nice. Was the street busy?
Yes, it was very busy, many cars, many people, and she looked a little lost. a little scared to cross.
Oh, that can be difficult for anyone.
Yes. So I walked to her and asked, "Excuse me, do you need help across the street?"
And what did she say?
She looked at me, smiled, and said, "Oh, yes, please. Thank you so much." So I offered my arm, and we walked together to the other side.
That's so kind of you, Alex.
She was very thankful. She said, "You are a very good person." And that made me feel so good. It was a small act, but it felt very important.
Yes, sometimes the small acts of kindness are the most meaningful. That's a wonderful, helpful experience.
Thank you, Emily. What about you? Can you share a helpful experience?
A helpful experience. Oh, last winter it was very cold, and my neighbor, Mrs. Davis, she's an older lady, was trying to carry some heavy bags from her car to her house.
Oh, those heavy bags are no fun, especially in the cold.
No, they are not. So I saw her and I quickly went out and said, "Mrs. Davis, let me help you with those bags."
That was very thoughtful of you.
She was so surprised and happy. She said, "Oh, Emily, thank you so much. You are an angel."
Oh, an angel. That's sweet.
Yes. So I carried her bags to her kitchen and she offered me some hot chocolate. And it was a very sweet moment. It made me happy to help her.
That's a beautiful experience, Emily. Helping others feels good, right? It makes us feel connected.
Yes, it truly does. It's like a warm feeling inside. So, Alex, we've shared happy, learning, funny, and helpful experiences. Now let's talk about a travel experience. Did you go somewhere interesting recently?
Oh, I love to travel. Even small trips are fun. Recently, I took a short trip to a small town near the mountains.
Oh, wow, mountains. What was it like?
It was beautiful, Emily. The air was very fresh and clean, and the trees were so green.
Sounds very relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing. I went for a walk in the forest and I saw some small birds and colorful flowers. It was so peaceful.
Did you try any local food there?
Oh, yes, I tried a special cheese from that region. It was delicious. And a local bread, too. It was a very nice trip. I felt very calm and happy after that.
That sounds like a wonderful experience, Alex. Nature is so good for us.
It is, truly. What about you, Emily? Do you have a recent travel experience to share?
A travel experience. Oh, last month I visited a small city near the ocean.
The ocean. I love the ocean too. The sound of the waves.
Yes, exactly. It was so nice to hear the waves. The city was small and quiet. I walked on the beach every morning.
Did you swim in the ocean?
Yes, I did. The water was a little cold at first, but then it felt so good and fresh. And I collected some pretty seashells.
Oh, that's nice. I love collecting seashells.
Me too. And I ate a lot of fresh fish. The seafood was amazing there. It was a very refreshing trip. I felt very happy and relaxed.
That sounds perfect, Emily. Traveling, even to nearby places, can be so good for our minds.
Absolutely. It gives us new perspectives and new memories.
Okay, Emily, we have time for one more experience. Can you tell me about a challenging experience? Something that was difficult, but you learned from it.
A challenging experience. This is a good one to think about. Ah, yes. Last year, I had to prepare a presentation for a big meeting at work.
Oh, presentations can be challenging, especially big ones.
Yes, exactly. I felt a little nervous. I wanted to do a good job. I spent many hours preparing the slides, practicing what to say.
That takes a lot of effort.
It did. And on the day of the presentation, my heart was beating fast. But when I started to speak slowly, I felt more confident.
And how did it go?
It went very well. People asked questions, and I could answer them. After the presentation, my boss said, "Good job, Emily." I felt so relieved and proud.
Wow, that's fantastic, Alex. It shows that even if something is challenging, with preparation, you can succeed.
Yes, it taught me that practice makes perfect and that feeling nervous is normal, but you can still do it. What about you, Emily? A challenging experience?
A challenging experience. Let me see. Oh, I remember one time I had to assemble a new bookshelf for my living room.
Oh, those can be very challenging. All those pieces and instructions.
Oh, yes. It came in a big box with many, many small pieces. And the instructions, they were just pictures, no words.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yes. I thought it would be easy, but after an hour, I had only put two pieces together, and they were probably wrong.
Oh, Emily, so what did you do?
I felt a little frustrated, but then I decided to take a break. I made some tea, and then I looked at the pictures again, very slowly, piece by piece.
Did it help?
Yes. Slowly, I started to understand the pictures, and after a few more hours, the bookshelf was finally done.
Wow, that's amazing. You built it yourself.
Yes, and it was strong. It didn't fall down. It was challenging, but it taught me to be patient and to look at things carefully.
That's a great lesson, Emily. Patience is very important when facing challenges.
Yes, very true. So, Emily, we shared so many different experiences today. It was really fun.
Yes, it was, Emily. And I hope our listeners enjoyed hearing about our experiences and that they can also think about their own experiences.
Absolutely. Talking about your experiences is a great way to practice your English. Think about a happy moment, a funny moment, or something new you learned.
Yes, and use simple words just like we did. Remember, practice makes perfect.
That's right. So, everyone, thank you so much for joining us today on Podcast English Channel.
Yes, thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And please leave a comment below. Tell us about your favorite experience. What was a happy experience you had, or a funny one? We would love to read your stories.
Yes, we can't wait to read your comments. Until next time, keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Bye.